I was talking about it earlier. When you're way too serious, typing something or anything, what does Kiki? Kiki ba yung here, Kiki in the teeth like this. So if you finish it lunch or food, if you finish it food, so you need to make a Kiki here in the teeth. Everyone here, here. or or the other kasi yung ano ba yung shorts ni Shikel, sabi niya kasi dito Waikiki. Waikiki means you don't have a pipi. Your gender is half half. Bakit sinabi mo yate? Why galare, why are you laughing? You understand what I'm talking? Ha?